Hey everyone, this is Judy with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of May 16th through the 22nd in my horizontal, classic size horizontal planner. This one is for hand lettering quotes, just a safe space to keep up with my hand lettering. So the theme I'm going with comes to us from my Facebook group's challenge, the HPTNT challenge, Happy Planning Tips and Tricks challenge. And one of the things we do, and I've mentioned this before, is go through any weird, more obscure kind of holidays and just see if anything catches our eye. And so on Tuesday, May 17th, that is World Baking Day. Fun fact. So, and I do love to bake, somewhat by necessity, because my husband and I are keto, which means we don't eat flour or sugar, no carbs, basically low carb. So if we want cookies, I need to make them myself, and that's fine. I love to cook, not necessarily bake, but I do love to cook. So I'm going with Baking Day, and what I have done is pulled one of the older Planners Anonymous kits. This is the Baked with Love kit. And I just love, there are pink lines here on the pages. There's lots of pink and blue and yellow basically are the primary colors in these stickers. I haven't pulled them all, but I've pulled a lot of them. And then I do have also the washi tape for it. So we're going to use some chunks of washi tape. Love that. This one's got some cookies. And this one's just got bunches and bunches of sprinkles. So we are going to use these stickers for my setup. I did also pull this box of vintage sticker labels to find, since this looks kind of hand-drawn and vintagey feeling, I thought it would be fun to go ahead and pull these as a couple of these as my author boxes, who to attribute the quotes to. So I'm just going to look for something kind of pastel and not too big. This is a good size, but I don't like the dark blue. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through these real quick. This square one is okay. It's kind of purple, so that's a possibility. These are kind of mustard yellow color, but I feel like they could fit. So there are, looks like 3 of those. Oh, that's fun. That's a possibility. I don't care for that or that. That one's fun too, and it's got the little hearts like the Baked with Love. Maybe I'll go with 2 of those. I want about 4 and 2 of these. That's peachy. I want to stick kind of within the colors in the kit. So pink, purple, or pink, yellow, blue. Let's just do it. Let's just go with 2 of those and 2 of these. I feel like that's fun. That'll work. They kind of look like the old-timey labels for like a bake sale or something. So, all right. So again, this is a picture. I got this off of AliExpress. If you just do a search on vintage stickers or vintage label stickers, you'll get bunches and bunches of these. So you might also be able to get those from the washi tape shop, but I'm going to assume that they actually get them from AliExpress as well. So I'm going to white out, well, let's see here. I definitely want to cover notes. So if we do a pink and a yellow on each page, there, just kind of laying stuff out. We can go up here and maybe down here. Okay, and then let's see, there might be a box sticker or something I can use to cover up this week if I want to. Okay, here we go. So this is a 2-box sticker. I don't want to take up that much space, but this one's kind of fun. I could put that there. It's a little short, but I could run some washi tape underneath it, or I could just kind of center it. I think I'll do that. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get the ball rolling here. I'm actually going to slide it. Nah, I'm going to keep it centered. Why not? Let's just center it. There we go. All right, and then if I put this one here, so this is just a sticker. It's got a backing that comes off if you run your thumb over it. There we go. So maybe a chunk of this washi tape. Time for some uneven rips, I think. So this just has an ombre of a bunch of different colors. So we can just use sections of this and then it looks like sprinkles. So like I said, this is an older Plan as Anonymous kit. So the format has changed. This one kit I think is from 2019 maybe. This is from before I subscribed even, and I was able to snag it when it was on sale. All right, and then let's see if there's a little, like a cupcake or a little icon, like I put one of these cupcakes. I want a cupcake there, because this is really, really big. I don't need all of that space to write the author's name. So let's go ahead and put a cupcake on there too. Oh, that's so cute. I love that little stack up. So cute. Okay, so next we're coming over here. So what do we got on this big wide washi? Another cupcake. Cupcakes are happiness with icing. Or do I just want this bit of cupcake? I could keep this intact and use the, it's a lot though. I think I want to go ahead and do maybe like here. Of course that looks just like that. Maybe I won't use much of the super wide washi, we'll see. Let's go ahead and put another hunk of, no. How about this skinny one? It's got cookies on it. Let's do some cookies. I think I want to go with one more cookie. Okay, let's peel this off and then we'll look for something to go with it. Okay. Here's, how about a little kid eating a cookie? Let's do that. I don't normally put people, but they're cute. I want to use them. That is so cute. He's eating a cookie and I used the cookie washi tape. It's perfect. Still, like I said, tons and tons of room. Oh, and his shirt matches. Tons and tons of room. I want a pot holder on there, I think. Look at these pot holders. Super cute. Or how about a bag of sugar? There we go. All right. Let's come up here. Oh, look at that little section. That is so cute. I feel like I have 2 washi tapes. I want this third one on there. Let's start it here. Okay, so what I want to do is not include any of this quote. So I'm going to rip it past the quote and we'll use this section on the other side. And then this one, I think I want to go make the butter all melty. So I think I'll kind of rip to get all those words. There. That's kind of interesting. I like that. Okay. And it needs a little something though. Oh, I could roll out the dough. I could put rolling out the dough on there. And is there like a cookie cutter or something? Birthday candles, measuring cup. I don't know why. I want a cookie cutter. These kind of look like little cookie cutters. I love to do cutout cookies. I was known, when I worked in the corporate world, once in a while I would bring in cutout cookies, my handmade cutout cookies. And I have pictures. I have executives would interrupt meetings to come in when they'd see them on the table to come in and get cookies. Believe it or not. All right. So I think, yeah, I think I'm going to go mirror image today. So that makes me think I want to put this hunk of washi over here. Maybe up high. Let's do it up high. And I'm going to come over as close as I can to the punches. Oh my gosh, can you hear the cats fighting? It'll be interesting to see if the microphone picked that up. They are having... No, they're not hurting each other. They're having a fun little fight. Okay, so looking at how this is filling the space, I think I want to go ahead and rip this right here and put it under. So let's see. I want to do a messy rip, but I want to be pretty careful about where it rips. So I'm going to just use the corner of my tool here to kind of guide where the rip goes. If that makes any sense. There we go. I know that's really hard for you to read, but that washi tape fits perfect on there. Twice, 2 rows. Okay. It's different. I'm not sure I love it, but it's different. Okay, so let's do what else is on here? More cookies. I could just do another row of cookies. I think I'll do that. Let's do a big row of cookies, but way down at the bottom here. And then again, baked with love. I like that. Will that fit? Nope. Okay, here's what we need to do. We need to put the cookies above baked with love, and that way it'll cover up a cookie, which I don't mind because all the cookies are the same. So let's put baked with love down here, way down low. Oops. And then I got a little plate of cookies here I could put somewhere. That's that same plate of cookies. We'll see. But I want this set of cookies. This can cover up a cookie. There we go. That's cute. All right. Okay. Can I fit this on there somewhere? And a pot holder. I want a little splash of color there. Here we go. Let's do a pink pot holder. Or this blue. Like I'm grabbing the cookies out with it. Pot holders go flying when I'm baking cookies. Okay, so I need to come over here and then we need to finish with this one. So if we put that one up high, then I could put another section of the really wide washi on there. So I'm just trying to read this. It says, mix together all the things, add some surprise sprinkles. So if I put this all the way over, so since this comes out right into the center of where I want to write, I'm thinking about putting this up a little higher so that it doesn't take up as much of my writing space. So like that. Yeah. And I'm just going to go ahead and let them rip this straight, but after the words. So right about there. And then this can go underneath. That looks pretty good. And then I want something, since I've been layering stuff on top of all the rest of them, I want to stick with that convention and do the same so that this one doesn't look kind of out of place compared to the others. So snugging right against the punches and up to the washi tape, and let's look for something to kind of put over top of this a little bit, like an egg. Is there a mixer? Oh, there's the mixer right there. I don't want another mixer. There's a cookie sheet. Lick the bowl. How about another cupcake? I only have one cupcake. Let's do another one. So cute. All right, one spot left right here. So I have the wide, I have the skinny. Let's put more sprinkles on there. And that way I've got all 3 washies on both pages. So if I go, so just looking, I came past the line here. I'm coming past the line in a lot of places, so I want to come past the line here as well. And then I definitely want to make sure I include some blue because I want some color down here. So messy rip, there we go. All right, what else now? I need to put something else with it. I could do another little kid, just use both of the little kids. There. Because I think the lady mixing, I could put her right at the edge, but I think I'd rather go ahead and use the two little kids on this one. So I've got blue and brown, now I've got some pink. So since she's licking a spatula, if I go ahead and put like a bowl full of, maybe if there's a bowl, there's this one I could put there beside her, like she stole. Just make sure that's my only option. There's a frosting bag. Nope, I think I want this bowl pouring out the batter, and like she's got the spoon. It almost looks like she's looking up at it too. There, I'll show you up close. See how it looks like she's looking up? Did mom catch me? So kind of like mom is up here pouring the batter out. That's cute. Okay, I think it's done. So there we go. There is my World Baking Day spread in my horizontal planner. So I can do all kinds of quotes like baked with love and oops, that's not the right planner, guys. There we go. So there's my World Baking Day spread, Tuesday the 17th for the Happy Planning Tips and Tricks Challenge. I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to create some fun out-of-the-box spreads, especially if you struggle, if you do multiple planners, or if you're struggling for a theme. Look up wacky holidays. There are 365 days of holidays. There are obscure, weird, fun holidays out there. Something will spark in you when you read one and help you come up with a theme and get you excited about decorating your planner. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.